action. It is your man T with Arizona Riders Club. I had to come out here and let you know it's not just all about cars. I'm not much of a cruiser, but this Triumph Bonneville is a beautiful bike. Look at that thing. All right, I didn't even come out here for this. I just caught my eye while I was walking past, man. I actually came out here for, where are you? Oh, you hiding from me, huh? You hiding? Oh, what in the hell is that? Is that a Ducati? No, it was the BMW I was looking for, the R200. I'm sorry, 1200R. Look at this, sweet. Scrumptious. But we got some choppers, we got some sports bikes, crotch rockets, we got a Honda. What is this, a CBR? Whew, got some heat out here, huh? All right, let me get focused, guys. Let me get focused. Yeah, there she is, trying to hide from a player. There we go. Spirit Shadow, looking pretty clean. What is that, Yamaha? And then we got a couple ninjas back here. 250 and a 650. 650R. The 650R is the one I came looking at earlier. Sorry about that. Let me give you a good picturesque on that. Yeah, man, so that's the one I actually want. We'll see what it goes for, man. Hopefully I could cop it. But I'm not even gonna mess with the 250. I'm good on that. However, that Beamer, man, is looking clean. I'm actually feeling it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get into it, get these things started up, see how they run, see if they even start, because they may not even start. They've been sitting out here, it looks like, for a while. So if not, we'll jump it, try to get this thing popped up, see what's going on. Just want to let you know that we ride too. And it's T with the Arizona Riders Club. Subscribe, player, and ride with us. Peace.